Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. Here I welcome you to a new video of mine in which we are going to discuss about the basics of trigonometry. So let's start the video. Okay, today we are going to discuss about trigonometry and trigonometric ratios. Before we start trigonometry, we should know about a right angle triangle. This right angle triangle we are considering as the name A, B and C. In right angle triangle there are three sides and these three sides are having different names and we have to identify which side is what. Firstly, this is a right angle and in front of this right angle this side's name will be hypotenuse. So what is hypotenuse? The in front side of your right angle will be known as hypotenuse. Now this remaining two sides, one will be perpendicular and one will be base. But directly we cannot decide which is perpendicular and which is base. To identify that, we have to consider our angle. Suppose this angle we consider as theta. Theta is a representation of angle. So if this is our considering angle, theta we are considering as our considering angle, then in front of this angle will be this side as perpendicular and the remaining side, this remaining side will be known as base. Now if we change this considering angle, if theta is no more here and we are considering this angle as theta. So if our considering angle change, perpendicular will be this and this side will become base. So what we conclude, if right angle is there and in front of this right angle is always hypotenuse and we can consider among these two angles any of the one. If we consider this one as considering, then in front is this. Whatever the in front of considering, that is perpendicular and the remaining one will be base. If we consider this, then in front side will become this one. So that time AB will become perpendicular and BC will become base. Now we'll understand about these trigonometric ratios. What is the meaning of these trigonometric ratios? Just we came to know about these three sides name of the right angle triangle. Now if this two side if we take at a time and make it a ratio, then only we justify with the name of trigonometric ratios. We total have 6 trigonometric ratios. First one is sine, next is cosine, this is tangent, cotangent, cosecant and secant. But we will not use these names. What we will be using in sums, we will be using their shorter forms. What are the shortest forms? SIN is sine, has a shorter form written in the sums as SIN, but we will pronounce as sine. Now cosine has a shorter form cos, tangent having a shorter form tan, similarly cotangent is cot, cosecant is cosec and secant will be known as sec. Now if we talk about sine, we will have a ratio between perpendicular and hypotenuse. If we will discuss about cosine, that means cos. If we discuss about this sine, which is short form as SIN, we will be having the ratios perpendicular by hypotenuse, and if I want to apply this ratio for this triangle, it will be something with the name of the triangle. or name of the side of this triangle. Suppose we have considered this angle before, only we have discussed, and we considered this angle. So in front side of considering will be perpendicular, in front of right angle is hypotenuse, the remaining is base. If this concept we apply to this trigonometric ratios sine, that time I have to write a theta here. That time it will be known as sine theta. And if we say sine theta perpendicular by hypotenuse, particularly by the theta angle based, then we have to write the perpendicular's name, and that name is here according to this triangle is BC and hypotenuse is AC. So sine theta is actually here BC by AC according to this triangle. If we write cosine, whose short form is cos, and we apply theta here, that means according to this considering angle, that time this base by hypotenuse ratio will be named by the triangle's side as base means AB and hypotenuse as AC. Same way, if we use tangent, the third ratio, whose short form is tan, so if we use theta here, that time it will be tan theta, and tan theta is a ratio between sine theta and cos theta also. If we go on the basic of sides, then sine theta already we got perpendicular by hypotenuse, and cos theta we already got base by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse will be cancelled. Final ratio between perpendicular and base comes out for the tan theta. And if we apply it in the triangle, perpendicular is which one? This BC and base is AB. So you can say tan theta is equals to BC by AB. Now if we go for the fourth one, that is cot theta, and cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. Tan theta already we got, you can check tan theta's value we got perpendicular by base and sine theta by cos theta. So its reciprocal 1 by tan, we can write 1 by tan theta will be equals to cos theta by sine theta, and cos theta by sine theta will be giving you base by perpendicular, and base by perpendicular if you apply it on the triangle, base is AB and perpendicular is BC. Okay, now if we discuss about these last two ratios, the fifth one is cosecant, and this cosecant is having a shorter name cosec theta, and cosec theta is 1 by sine theta. That means the reciprocal of sine is cosec. Now sine is perpendicular by hypotenuse, so its reciprocal will be hypotenuse by perpendicular. And if we apply this hypotenuse by perpendicular in the triangle, we'll be getting as the name AC and BC as perpendicular. Now the last one is secant, whose short form is sec. Now sec theta is a reciprocal of cos theta, so you can write 1 by cos. We got already cos is base by hypotenuse, so its reciprocal will be hypotenuse by base. If we apply it in the triangle, hypotenuse name is AC and the base will be as AB. So these are the 6 ratios which is on the basics of trigonometry. If we go for any chapter of trigonometry in the next, we need these basics. Without this sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, cosec theta and sec theta, we cannot go ahead with trigonometry. In the next video, we will discuss more about trigonometry. So thank you and thanks for watching this video.